Students, welcome again to our online class subject physical education. Dear students, already I have taken 2 or 3 periods and discussed something about the first lesson, that is changing trends and career in physical education. Your weekly test will be held on 29th, already notice given to you, 29th of this month, and your subject PHE is there. Okay. So once again I will review each and everything from first chapter. You just listen carefully, and whatever materials are here in my PPT also learn very carefully. Understand? So first of all we will know the learning objectives of this chapter. What are the learning objectives? First one is to understand the meaning and definition of physical education. Second, to know about aims and objectives of physical education. Third, to know about career options in physical education. Fourth, to know about competitions in various sports at national and international level. Fifth, to know about Khelo India program. Okay, so one by one, just lightly I will review it. First one is aims, meaning and definition of physical education. Okay, the main definition of physical education, it is a part of total education process which gives us physically, mentally, emotionally and socially fit through the medium of physical activities. Okay, so it is a part of total education which gives physically, socially, emotionally and mentally fit through the medium of physical activities. Okay, that is the main definition of physical education. Then we will learn the aims and objectives of physical education. The main objectives are physical development, mental development, social development, neuromuscular development and emotional development. First of all, we must know what is physical development. Okay, through physical activities, the power of an individual is developed and the development of various organ system of human body also developed, that is digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, muscular system, nervous system, excretory system, all systems that is developed due to the regular exercises of physical activities. Okay. So physical education is also related to physical activities that cast different effects on our organic systems. Understand? So through physical activities we tone up our muscles and different systems of our body that is also developed. So as a whole, the physical development of human beings should be performed. Understand? Then mental development. What do you mean by mental development? The mental development means the knowledge and thinking level of an individual also increased through physical activities. Okay, it sharpening our minds and help us increase the level of concentration. Due to that reason, we will think properly and our conception power, thinking power, that is developed. Then social development. The social development means the quality of adjustment to live according to the situation and also develop friendship, cooperation, courtesy, sportsmanship spirit, self control, fair play, tolerance power, sympathy, each and everything whatever is needed to live in society, that should be improved by an individual through physical activities, because in physical activities they do their activities with other peoples. Whenever they are mixed up with other peoples or joined with other peoples, their customs, their behavior, each and everything, their tradition, that should be exchanged among themselves. Due to that reason, the social quality will be improved. Then next one is neuromuscular development. A neuromuscular development, or it is a coordination that can be developed if various physical exercises are done again and again regularly, not only for one day or 2 days, for a long period of time. If we are doing the physical exercises again and again, our neuromuscular development or coordination will be improved. Understand? So, if the coordination among nerves and muscles improved, it leads to smoothness functioning of our body. Understand? And at last, emotional development. What do you mean by emotional development? Emotional development means development of pleasure, development of hope, development of jealousy, sorrow, anger, fear, any other things. Okay, that should be controlled by an individual through physical activities. Okay, so we can say physical activities is must for an individual. Through physical activities they can develop, or a wholesome development should be happens by an individual through physical activities. Understand? Then we will learn, this is physical activities. One photograph is there. Okay, you see physical development, then mental development is there, then social development is there, then neuromuscular development is there, and emotional development is there. Understand? Then career options in physical education. So no need to explain it nicely one by one, just I read out the careers. Teaching, in teaching faculty, teaching as elementary school or primary school, teaching in middle school, teaching at the high school, teaching at the senior secondary school level, and teaching at the university level. In every places, every schools, every colleges, there is the post of physical education teacher. If anybody wants to, or anybody's aim towards the physical education, after completing their degrees, they must have observed in educational institutions. Understand? So earlier there was a conception, games or physical activities, that is fun and enjoyment, but nowadays it has more importance, okay, as like as other subjects. Then coaching as a career, health related career in physical education, administration related career in physical education, Department of Physical Education, Sports Management, Sports Facility Management, Performance Related Career in Physical Education, Media Related Career in Media, that is sports journalism, sports photography, book writing, sports broadcasting, sports industry. Understand? So many careers are there in physical education. Okay. So these are the careers. Then competitions in various sports at national and international level. Nowadays so many games that is played in our country and outside of the country. The games which are conducted inside the country, that is called national game, national level game, and the games that is played among different countries, that is called international level games. Understand? So many national level games and many international level games are there. Just I will display or I will show you some important games and important tournaments, that is in a national level and international level. Understand? So before starting the games, first of all we must know the organizing committee. In national level so many organizing bodies are there. So in school the games are conducted, the organizing body is SGFI. SGFI means School Game Federation of India. That body or SGFI will organize each and every games whatever is played inside the school or among schools. School level competition, that is organized by SGFI. And other than school, some outsiders they also played in games that is conducted by federation. Different federations are there. Every game there is a federation committee. Understand? So each federation committee will organize their separate game. For Kabaddi there is one federation committee, Kabaddi Federation of India. For Kho-Kho there is one federation, Kho-Kho Federation of India. For football that is another, Football Federation of India. Understand? So for each game separate federation is there. That federation will organize or conduct the events in district level, state level and national level. At last all the federations that they will affiliated or their affiliation should be done by Indian Olympic Association. We can say IOA. That means all the federations are affiliated with IOA. IOA means Indian Olympic Association. Okay. And Indian Olympic Association, that is established in 1927. Mind it students, important point, the Indian Olympic Association IOA that was established in 1927, and our Indian Olympic Association or IOA, it is also affiliated with International Olympic Committee IOC. Okay, that International Olympic Committee that was established in 1894. Understand? International Olympic Committee that was established in 1894. Okay students. So here some games and their national level event and international level event that is given. Okay, you will read it carefully. Another page also there, so many games there in national level and international level tournaments are given. Now in athletics, some important games I will focus it about that important games. athletics, national athletic championship, world athletic championship, interstate athletic championship, Asian game, Olympic game, national school game, school athletic championship, inter-university athletic championship. So many types of championships are there that is held for athletics events. Understand? In Asian game, first of all, the Asian Games were held in 1951. The first Asian Game that was held in 1951 at New Delhi. Understand? And like that, Olympic Games, so many Olympic Games, Asian Games, both are conducted after every 4 years. Understand? It is not a regular basis. After every 4 years, the game will be conducted. Either it is Asian game or Olympic games. And the national school game, that is also conducted or organized by School Game Federation of India, SGFI. Understand? Then basketball, so many events are there in basketball. Okay. Then as basketball, Olympic Games, the basketball was introduced in 1936. You see, Olympics Games, it is given number 6. The first time basketball games was introduced in Olympic Games in 1936. Okay, and in Asian Game, the championship is being held in Asian Game since 1951. In Asian Game, it is played since 1951, and first time it was introduced in Olympic Game 1936. Understand? Then another trophies are there. Basketball is also there. Understand? We will discuss one by one. In basketball, Thomas Cup is given. Thomas Cup, that is for International Men's Championship. Understand? Thomas Cup basketball, Thomas Cup, that is for International Men's, badminton, not basketball, badminton, Thomas Cup. You see badminton is here, that is Thomas Cup is given on the top. Question number 1. The Thomas Cup, that is for International Men's Championship, and that championship was started from 1948. Understand? And below that, Uber Cup is given. Uber Cup, that is for International Women's Championship. Okay, and it was started in 1956. Again I repeat, Thomas Cup started 1948 and Uber Cup started from 1956. Thomas Cup for men's championship and Uber Cup for women's championship. Understand? About that, another tournaments are there, cricket is there, football is there. Understand? And football, the FIFA Cup. FIFA means Federation of International Football Association. FIFA will conduct the international level matches of football. Understand? And Durand Cup is there. Durand Cup was started firstly in 1888. Important years, you note it down. Durand Cup, that was started in 1888, and after that DCM football tournament, that was started in 1945. Okay, its name is DCM Trophy. like this, so many championships are there, so many events, so many tournaments or competitions that is held among different games. Understand? So you learn each and everything, name of the games, and it is name of the tournaments of national level and international level. Understand? Then we know about Khelo India program. Khelo India program, it is a program, the most initiative taken by our government to focus towards the sports or to improve the sports in our country. It is a national program for the development of sports in India, and its aim at bringing improvement the country's sports. Understand? And first Khelo India program school game were held from 31st January to 8th February 2018 in New Delhi. First time it was introduced and played and started from 31st January 2018. Understand? And it is purely school game played inside the school. The school children will participate in this program, Khelo India program, and the students having the age below 17 years, they will participate in this program. Okay, and after participating that program, who are or who performs better, they will be selected by our government, by the selection agencies, and they will compete further in district level, then state level, then national level, and after then they will be selected for the national level coaching camp, and just they are selected as a national level player. Understand? In this way they will be selected and improved. Their improvement should be there gradually after district level, then state level, then national level. Understand? And through Khelo India program there are so many objectives. The objectives are given. You see the objectives. The development of play field should be there, community coaching is there, state level Khelo India center is there, annual sports competition is there, talented search are there, upgradation of sports infrastructure, support to national and state level academies, physical fitness to school children, sports for women, promotion of sports among persons with disabilities, and promotion of rural and tribal games. All these objectives are there to improve the sports through Khelo India program. This is a national level program, and this program organized by our government of India to improve the sports inside the country, and to improve the sports are selected the players for our country. Understand? And these are the objectives of Khelo India program. Okay students, this is all about your first chapter, the Khelo India program games 2019 medal tally is given. Here Maharashtra comes tops in tally having 227 medals, and at last there is Daman and Diu, only 3 medals are there. Understand? Our Jharkhand got 10 medals in 2019 Khelo India program. Okay students, this is all about your first lesson. Very simply, shortly, I explain it for your examination point of view. I hope you will learn it nicely, okay, and face your weekly test in a cool mind. Understand? Best of luck for your weekly test. Thank you. Have a nice day.